What is up, One Rental at a Time fans? Adam here, back out in Hanford. This property we have, you've seen it before. It's actually been on the market. I'm coming here to get you one quick last update video. I'll probably take one more once we finish all these miscellaneous things up. But first thing you'll notice is we replaced the garage door. This is not black anymore. The door is still green. Thank you guys for voting. But the front garage is not black anymore. We're going to paint it, but we had a single pretty much, as you can see, this is a sectional. There's multiple sections to it. We had a flat garage and they were not able to turn it into a automatic garage door, and it ended up being in worse shape than we thought. And so it ended up falling off, and so they had to completely replace it. And so we're gonna come in here, put some framing around the edges right here, put black framing in right here, just to accent it, and then we will paint the garage door black, so don't worry, we'll get that done. But if you come around here into the front, and I'm sorry, maybe not green, some more turquoise. Actually, it looks more blue from what you guys are seeing through the camera lens, but anyways, everybody liked the door. We're gonna keep it. As you guys can see, all done inside except for the oven and the stove combo. We got the range in. This just needs to be finally installed, which is coming in tomorrow. We had a few delays, that's okay. The timing on the end of this project could have gone a little bit better, but as you can see, everything else is done. All the cabinets, hardware, as you can see too, beautiful farm sink. It's my favorite. We got the black fixtures and the accents here just to bounce off that we really like. And while we're here, I'll show you guys the backyard. We're gonna have a gardener come back out just because it's been about 2 weeks to come clean all this up. As you guys can see, it's getting a little long. And then we're gonna have the contractor come back in, just remove some of this back here. There's a slit right here that's missing in the fence. And I'm gonna have him kind of paint those poles black as well too, just to match up. Oh, and by the way, this fence we did kind of rejuvenate just a little bit. This one we left as is, just to save on costs. The neighbor also didn't want to split the cost of the fence after all. So we ended up just saving some money and leaving it as is. And let me show you guys back in this garage actually real quick. Because one cool thing that we did, I don't know if you guys remember in the beginning because there was so much junk in here, we re-sheetrocked this entire garage. Makes a big difference and it looks beautiful. As you guys can see, perfectly flat. Looks really nice. The previous owners were sheetrocking the garage, but it was a really bad job. They had holes everywhere, and half of it, I think it was this wall, was like completely deteriorating, the sheetrock that is. And so we just redid it. As you can see here too, brand new water heater. That's nice. Let's come back in here. I believe you guys have already kind of seen this, the bedrooms and such, but if you haven't, all equipped with fans, got our new doors, new fixtures, everything. You got the black accents, obviously, even right here, the little remote control for the lights. We got our nice new updated thermostat. Here's a second bedroom right here. Not huge, but it's got a closet as well too in there. So coming to our bathroom right here. Beautiful. We got the nice cutouts for the shampoo, conditioner, all that stuff. You got our new vanities. It's just something I'm gonna have our contractor do just to show you guys. I'm just gonna have him kind of give that a little paint right there. I know some people don't do that, but I think it'll look nice, especially if I was living here. You know, if I have to come in here and grab my stuff every day and I see just the purple sheetrock, I'm gonna be a little peeved, but that might just be my OCD. I don't know. Anyways, we got the third bedroom, a little bit larger in here, closet space. Coming to the fourth bedroom, by the way, new windows in here as well. Come in here, nice matching shower, the little cutout, beautiful, new vanity toilet, awesome. That's about it. I think you guys have seen pretty much the whole house. But yeah, everything is looking nice. We're just doing our last little miscellaneous touch-ups. Like I said, we had a little bit of a mix-up on timing. We also had to tent the property. You guys can see right here. we tented it. And so that took a little bit of time too, but we had some pest damage that we had to attend to. And just for proof, right there, got it fumigated. So that's the last thing that we did. Now we have our pest certification, which is something that I personally like to get before going into escrow. It's definitely not needed, but that's just what I decided to do on this project. That's about it. I don't think there's any other stuff for me to show you guys. I'm just gonna keep walking around. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll give you guys probably some more updates, maybe one more video, some pictures once we get this done, the garage out front, and just kind of touch up the front and backyard. And till then, thanks for tuning in.